nothing is impossible.
Omwezi wa President w'ihanga Uganda ajwe chize Minister w'abintu n'oburema amabiri oshomera obutumwa bwe obwaro kushaba eminyeeto okongera kwejumbira on programs za government na munonga ya parish development model.
I thank the leadership of West Ankole the Diocese and Compassion International for being dependable partners of government to deliver services to the youth, children and Ugandans. Your actions affirm your conviction that doing good is noble and good business.
Ayongire yashaba eminyeeto okureba ngo bakoma obusinge bw'ihanga Uganda batakikiriza abantu kubakozesa enshobi okutabangura ihanga.
I want to appeal to the youth to be the agents of peace, security and stability which form the operative environment of what we think, plan, say and do. There can be no development without peace.
Amukorogo abeji abarinjire ombibiri abashomera emishomo etarimu n'emwe basibwirwe ngo baze kuhereza ihanga abahwerwireho ab'ekitongole kya Compassion International.
Era wano twazize ku mukolo guno nga tuzo okukola ebintu bibiri okujaguza ebintu bibiri. Ekijaguza ekisinga obunene nti waliwo abaana abayise oba abavuka kati abasajja abakulu n'abakyala abayise mu ministry ya Compassion ne mu ministry ya kanisa okole nga tukolera wamu abamaze okusoma abamaliza okusoma mu bike ebyenjawulo abamu bamaliza nga ba lawyers abamu basomesa abamu basawo abamu balina certificates diplomas abamu bayiga emirimu gy'emikono.
Or you are going to forget your brothers and sisters who are still there. You are still looking to Colorado, to the west, for help. Some of you are going to be pillars in this world. You are going to be men and women. You are going to get money. You are going to drive Porsche cars. You are going to build classy houses. You are going to be remunerated higher and higher. Do not think that God is going to forget you. Never forget your brothers and sisters.
Ekitongole kya Compassion International nkikwatiraho na munonga abaana enfusha y'okushoma n'ebindi.